When the morning
recording all the under eye. Yes, you're gonna hear my children. I first went in with the dark pink, the magenta, and I pushed it in my lower lash line, and then I went over the last third with the purple, and then I went in with the middle pinky champagne color here, and I got it in the corner and right under in that first third. So now I'm going to do my lips, and then when you guys see me next, I will have my lashes on. I am trying this LA Colors Lip Duo Contour Pencil. Yes, you guys hear my kids in the background. I just wanted to talk about this because I am just opening the pack up. Cut it open. Ooh. Yeah. Cut my finger. Oh well. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business. There's a dark side and a light side, and this is in the color. Maybe it's on the paper. I'll check it in a minute. But I'm going to take the darker, and I'm sorry that I'm off center, guys. I've had the hardest time with my new setup, so just bear with me. Just please, a little grace. Sorry, I leaned forward on to do my makeup. Ooh. I think my lighting right now is weird. So let me come back and try to show you guys in a better way. I have a lash over here, but I have a double stack over here, so I'm gonna make them match. I put this on and then I realized I wanted a little more oomph, you know what I'm saying? So let me double stack. I normally double stack before I put them on my eyes, but today I didn't have the notion that I was going to. Yes, honey, yes. Clean that glue off. Ooh, all right. And 1 second. All right, and now that I've gotten that double stack lash on, you guys can see that The rest of this, I had to just do like a voiceover. My kids it's summertime. They're pretty loud. So now that you can see the lips a little bit more, I am going to use my Mary Kay lip gloss because I feel the need to shine. It looks very, very pale in the camera on my viewfinder, so I don't know what it's really gonna look like when I go to edit, but you will get pictures because this is the final look, you guys. I hope you liked it. I was just playing in my colors, not a planned look. So if you guys like the complete look, please give me a thumbs up, comment, make sure you subscribe, and share it with some friends that you think would like to recreate this look as well. See you guys in my next video. Love you and bye.